Oh my gosh, you guys, we finally got it. You asked for it, and I got it for you. I am going to unbox and show you the bento bag number 3 from Nomad Lane today. I can't tell you how many comments and DMs and, smoke signals that you guys have sent me just practically begging me to review this bag. I'm so excited to finally see it for myself, and I'm excited to be able to give you guys 10% off also. Let's open the box. It literally just got delivered like 4 seconds ago. I'm not kidding. It's the most exciting day I've had for a while. You wanna know what color it is? It's purple. It's plum, actually. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Here she is, guys. All right, so before we get into all the details of this beautiful bag, first I wanna say to please subscribe to our channel. I am Lauren, and I have been to all 7 continents, 87 countries, and I've done it all carry-on only. So I travel often and pack well, and I want to help you do the same. I not only review products that are going to better your travel, and I also help you pack and prepare and all of those things. So if you like to travel or you want to travel, I'm your girl, anything you want. So why are we so obsessed with this bag? Let me tell you. I talked to the guy that designed this bag. It was so amazing to chat with him, to just see how passionate he is about the product and this company and all of that. When I say that this bag was specifically designed to be the ultimate underseater bag, that's exactly what it is. He sat there on flights and looked down at his feet and said, what do I need easy access to? What features in a bag should I have to be able to have the best flight possible? So that is what this bag is truly all about. It is well designed, it is well organized, it fits under the seat, and it's going to be amazing for you to travel with. Now, this is the color plum. It also comes in black. Now, Nomad Lane obviously has its website, and I have a 10% off link for you in the description box, but they are also selling it on Amazon now, and I have a 10% off code for you for their Amazon as well. So that's really nice and convenient if you want to get this bag on Amazon. All right, so let's get into the details. You're gonna love it. Sometimes websites say that bags are a certain dimension, and then sometimes they're really not. So for every single bag that comes my way, we do measure it. And also, not every airline is created equally. Carry-on, personal item, cabin luggage, whatever you wanna call it, has specific dimensions that you have to follow. So on the website, it says that it is 17 by 10 by 8. So let's go ahead and measure. The height, I'm actually getting a little bit more like 11 inches, to be honest. As for the depth, it is kind of more of a triangle shaped. So on the very bottom, it is actually 8 inches, which is great. And then lengthwise, at the very bottom is honestly more like 17 and a half. So we're gonna go ahead and say that the bag is 17 and a half by 11 by 8. Now, of course, this bag is soft shell, not hard. So depending on how you fill it up, for example, this front pocket, if you fill it up too big, it could potentially expand out a little bit. But the good thing is, it should never really go over 8 inches deep, because the way it's designed is more like a triangle. So if this comes out more like this, it's still gonna be 8 inches. So again, really well thought out design. So what I'm gonna do is take this baby to the airport in a little bit and put it in all of the airline sizers and really let you guys know exactly which airlines it's going to fit into as a personal item. As for the rest of the details, this bag is 2.9 pounds, which is 1.3 kilos, and holds 24 liters of stuff. This is a premium nylon right here, which of course is going to be water resistant, and all of the other details are of vegan leather. And I really love all of the details here. I mean, this is black, and it has the Nomad Lane logo right there on it. You've got this beautiful snap handle that's vegan leather, and you've got the vegan leather here as well. And this bag, I mean, it feels like a really, really good material. The stitching just looks incredible. And I really love all of this brass hardware right here. I think that that's a really pretty color up against the plum. And you know what, you guys, one of the really cool parts about these zippers, not only are they YKK, which is the best zippers that you can possibly get, but you have these little holes in them right here. And they have that so that you can put a lock in there and lock it. And up here, you could probably even lock all 4 of them if you're really worried about theft. Right here, of course, you have this front zipper. And you're gonna open up these zippers, which are YKK zippers, by the way, and then you're gonna see what's inside of it. Now, the cool thing is, right away I'm noticing this clip, which is really good to hold your keys, but is also good to potentially hold your travel wallet. My travel wallet has a little carabiner clip on it. I can attach my travel wallet to this, and then beware, pickpocketers, you can't steal my stuff. I did get pickpocketed once before. It does have a couple of slip pockets and 3 pockets for pens. And then right here you do have 1 zippered pocket, another slip pocket, another slip pocket, and in front of each of those is a mesh pocket. Love outer pockets on personal item. Now let's go ahead to the back of the bag, and you're going to see another zippered pocket right here, which is great. This is where I would be putting my passport. But not only is this great for that, but this part right here is the trolley sleeve. This trolley sleeve is meant to slip this bag over your favorite luggage and be ultimately hands-free at the airport. I will not review a personal item that does not have that feature. As for the rest of the outside of the bag, you're gonna see these little D-rings right here, which are meant to put the crossbody strap on. And then also you have this little carabiner clip right here so that you can attach anything you want to the outside of the bag. These extra little pockets right up top to be able to put things in. And it's 2 separate pockets, not just one big one. The reason for these pockets, if you are sitting in a seat on an airplane and this is under the seat in front of you and you need to grab something really quickly, you don't want to have to open up the whole bag clamshell style and get stuff out of it. You want easy access to it. You can have your TSA liquids in one and then maybe your plain bag. Now we're gonna go ahead and start to open the bag and show you all of the great features inside. But what I want to show you first, and this is another really well thought out thing, is that I can open up the bag just on the top and very easily access my laptop. This bag can fit up to a 16-inch laptop. You want to be able to just pull it out super easily. It opens clamshell style and it packs like a suitcase. I love this for personal items because packing stuff just on top in a duffel isn't always easy. So when we open it up here, this is the laptop area that was easily accessible from the top, like I said. So you're gonna have this Velcro elastic strap right here, and you're having 2 padded areas here. You can have your laptop, you can have your iPad, you can have folders, you can have anything that you need to keep really neat and tidy, basically. I also have to say that at first glance, I'm just so thrilled that the inside of this bag is a light color. So behind this laptop sleeve here is more space. Oh, here's the crossbody strap. This is where you're really going to be able to pack the bulk of your stuff. Let me go ahead and measure it real quick. It's going to be about 4 inches on the bottom, and then the top is going to be a little bit less than 3, but you're still going to be able to really pack a lot in here. But the first thing that I see in here is this little strap here to be able to put a water bottle in. This is going to be really easy access. Lauren, that's not easy access. You had to open up the whole bag and unzip that to get behind it. Just wait, you guys. There's a zipper on top, and you can access anything inside of that pocket from the top as well. As for this side, this is covered in a really nice mesh. Now, remember those top pockets, like I said, for easy access? If these are full, they're gonna take up a little bit of space and you're gonna have this much left. Or don't even utilize those and you can have this whole other part of the bag to fill stuff up. So, with that being said, let's pack it. And what I'm going to do is pack what I usually pack in my personal item, and then I'm going to also pack it to show what other items could potentially fit depending on how you're using the bag. All right, guys, I got a whole bunch of stuff. First, we're gonna take the TSA liquids bag, put that inside that pocket. In this pocket, I'm gonna put plain essentials. I'm gonna pack any pills or medication. I'm gonna pack some trail mix and some chapstick. So these pockets aren't very full. So that's what I wanna see next. There's about 5 inches of space that we can work with. I can definitely pack shoes in there. And then we still have a little bit of space here for something else. What I'm gonna pack in this side is my electronics bag. So I'm gonna slip that in there. And then I definitely still have a lot more space. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my little crossbody purse in there. And I can't really fit it that way, but I could fit it that way, and I'm pretty sure I could still have access to that pocket. So let me zip it up and make sure that I can still grab my stuff out of it. Now, what I want to pack in this side is anything that I want to be able to easily grab from the plane. It has a water bottle pocket, so I'm going to put my water bottle in there. And then I'm gonna pack my headphones, and then I do have a little small packing cube. Gonna be very nice. Maybe my sunglasses, we can put those in there. And then I'm gonna show you how I can put my iPad and my 13-inch computer in there and close the whole thing. Alternatively, to prove to you guys that I could pack this for a lot longer, I'm gonna take out some of these items and show you that I can actually fit a medium-sized packing cube in here. This is what I fill all of my clothes in for my entire trip. My capsule wardrobe fits in here. It fits with the water bottle. That's awesome. This bag can fit so much stuff. And I do know something that some of you guys are going to say. You're going to wish that it had an option with wheels. And I've come up with a solution for that as well, but we're gonna talk about that in another video. So let me know your thoughts down below. Would you guys get it in the plum color or would you get it in the black? I think it was thought out so well. And like I've said before, these bags, although they may be a little bit more money, they are going to last you a lifetime. And so I review ones on this channel like this, and then sometimes I review some less expensive items as well, because everybody has a different budget, and that's totally fine. So yes, I can't wait to travel with this one day soon. I don't have any plans to do so yet, but Brian and I are so in love with this bag, we would actually consider booking a little getaway just so that we can use it. So let me know where you think that we should travel with it and what airline you want us to test it on. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure that you are subscribed and follow us on Instagram, and I will see you next time. Thanks. Bye.